Did you know there's a shark with a head shaped like a hammer and another that can live for over 400 years? Imagine swimming alongside a creature the size of a bus. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the top 10 biggest sharks. From deep-sea monsters to gentle giants, these sharks are full of surprises. Get ready for an adventure as we uncover the secrets of these incredible ocean giants. Number 10. Goblin Shark. The Goblin Shark is like something out of a nightmare, but don't worry, it's a rare sight. These deep-sea dwellers can grow up to 12 feet long, with their long, flat snouts and extendable jaws filled with nail-like teeth. They look like prehistoric creatures. Did you know that the Goblin Shark's skin is semi-transparent? Yep, you can actually see some of their insides if you look closely enough. One fun fact is that Goblin Sharks are sometimes called living fossils because their lineage is around 125 million years old. Imagine that. They roam the dark depths of the ocean, usually around 3,000 feet down. The coolest thing about them is their slingshot-like jaw. It can extend to catch prey with lightning speed. If you ever see one, count yourself lucky, but remember, they prefer to stay far from human eyes. Number 9. Thresher Shark. Next up is the Thresher Shark, known for its incredibly long tail, which it uses like a whip to stun its prey. Thresher sharks can grow up to 20 feet, with half of that length being their tail. They are amazing hunters, and can often be seen leaping out of the water in a display of agility and power. Thresher sharks are not only known for their hunting skills, but also their curiosity. Divers have reported these sharks approaching them, not aggressively, but more like they're just checking things out. One interesting tidbit is that the thresher sharks are among the few shark species that have been observed using their tails to herd fish. They essentially whip their prey into a tight ball before striking. Number 8. Great Hammerhead Shark. The great hammerhead shark is unmistakable with its hammer-shaped head, or cephalofoil. These giants can reach lengths of up to 20 feet and weigh as much as 1,000 pounds. The unique shape of their head gives them excellent vision, allowing them to see above and below simultaneously. Great hammerheads are known to frequent warmer waters and are often found near coral reefs and continental shelves. One of the coolest facts about them is their ability to detect electrical fields produced by other marine animals. This makes them excellent hunters even in murky waters. Their favorite food? Stingrays. They use their hammer-shaped heads to pin stingrays to the ocean floor before devouring them. Number 7. Blunt-nosed six-gill shark. This shark is a deep-sea giant that can grow up to 20 feet long. The blunt-nosed six-gill shark is named for its 6 gill slits, unlike most sharks with a 5. These sharks are ancient, with ancestors dating back to the time of the dinosaurs. Blunt-nosed six-gills are usually found in deep waters, often around 6,000 feet below the surface. Despite their size and somewhat menacing appearance, they are generally slow-moving and not a threat to humans. An interesting fact about them is their green glow. Their eyes can reflect light in a greenish hue, helping them see in the dark depths where they live. Plus, these sharks can go for long periods without eating, which is quite handy in the deep sea where food can be scarce. Number 6. Sand Tiger Shark. Don't let the name fool you. The sand tiger shark is not closely related to the infamous tiger shark. These sharks can grow up to 10.5 feet long and are often found lurking in shallow, sandy coastal waters. Despite their ferocious appearance with sharp, protruding teeth, they're relatively docile and pose little threat to humans. One fun fact about sand tiger sharks is their unique method of buoyancy control. They can gulp air at the surface and hold it in their stomachs, allowing them to hover motionless in the water. This ability makes them excellent ambush predators. They're also known for their glowing eyes, thanks to a layer of tissue behind the retina called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their vision in low-light conditions. Number 5. Great White Shark. Arguably the most famous shark in the world, the great white shark can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh up to 5,000 pounds. Known for their incredible power and speed, great whites can be found in coastal waters all over the world. They have a keen sense of smell and can detect a drop of blood in 25 gallons of water. Great whites are not just mindless eating machines, they are curious creatures. Studies have shown that they are capable of complex social interactions and may even form friendships. A little known fact is that great whites can leap out of the water, a behavior known as breaching. This is often seen in South Africa's Seal Island, where they hunt seals with incredible agility and power. And here's a fun secret. Great whites have a sixth sense. They can detect the electrical fields produced by the movement of other animals, helping them locate prey even in complete darkness. Number 4. Greenland Shark. The Greenland Shark is one of the longest living vertebrates on Earth, with some individuals estimated to be over 400 years old. These slow-moving giants can reach lengths of up to 21 feet, and are found in the cold, deep waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. Greenland sharks have an incredibly slow metabolism, which helps them survive in cold waters. They are scavengers and often feed on carrion, though they will also hunt live prey when the opportunity arises. A fascinating fact about them is that they're often blind thanks to a parasite called Oomycota elongata, which attaches itself to their eyes. Despite this, they are still proficient hunters. And here's a quirky tidbit. Greenland sharks have been found with remains of polar bears and reindeer in their stomachs, showing their opportunistic feeding habits. Number 3. Basking Shark. The basking shark is the second largest fish in the ocean, right after the whale shark. These gentle giants can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh as much as 19 tons. Despite their massive size, they are filter feeders, swimming with their enormous mouths open to catch plankton and small fish. Basking sharks are often seen near the surface, basking in the sun, which is how they got their name. They migrate long distances in search of food, and one of the most amazing facts about them is their ability to leap completely out of the water despite their enormous size. This breaching behavior is thought to be a way of removing parasites or possibly even communicating with other sharks. Another interesting fact is that basking sharks have tiny teeth, about a quarter-inch long, which they don't really use for feeding. Number 2. Megamouth Shark. The megamouth shark is a deep-sea dweller that can grow up to 18 feet long. It was only discovered in 1976, making it one of the most recent shark discoveries. As its name suggests, the megamouth has an enormous mouth, which it uses to filter plankton and jellyfish from the water. Megamouth sharks are rarely seen by humans, as they prefer the deep, dark parts of the ocean. They are known to migrate vertically each day, moving closer to the surface at night to feed and then descending back into the depths during the day. One of the most fascinating things about the megamouth shark is its bioluminescent mouth. It is believed that this glowing mouth may help attract prey in the pitch-black depths of the ocean. And here's a little secret. Only around 100 sightings of megamouth sharks have been recorded, making them one of the rarest sharks in the world. Number 1. Whale Shark. Finally, the largest shark in the world is the whale shark, which can grow up to 60 feet long and weigh as much as 20 tons. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are gentle giants and pose no threat to humans. They are filter feeders, much like the basking shark, and primarily eat plankton, small fish, and occasionally squid. Whale sharks are found in tropical and warm-temperate oceans and are known for their distinctive spotted patterns. Each pattern is unique, much like a human fingerprint. One of the most heartwarming facts about whale sharks is their migratory behavior. They often travel thousands of miles to feed and breed. One secret about them is their deep dives. Whale sharks have been recorded diving as deep as 6,000 feet. Another fun fact is that they can live up to 70 years, and some scientists believe they might even reach 100 years old. Whale sharks are often seen swimming with their mouths wide open, filtering vast amounts of water for food. Their massive size and gentle nature have made them a favorite among divers and marine biologists. One of the most incredible experiences is swimming alongside these ocean giants, a testament to the majesty and mystery of the underwater world. Thanks for joining us on this sharktastic journey. If you loved learning about these ocean giants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.